So this is to show you the things that are possible of what you're going to learn today, okay? So today I'm going to teach you how to make something similar to what you saw, okay? Now, with filmmaking, there's three kind of basic steps that you have to do to make a film, okay? The first basic thing that you need is actors and actresses to appear in your film, right? So that's the first thing. The second thing that you'll need is the equipment. So like cameras, microphones, and things like that. And then the last thing that you will need is editing software, so that way you can put your film together. We all got that? Okay, so you all know what actors and actresses do, right? Yes? So I'm gonna ask everyone to please stand up. Come over to this table over here, so that way I can show you all some of the things that they use to make films. The next thing we have is microphone, okay? Now, in movies, we have different types of microphone. Sometimes you have the microphone that you clip on here, okay, so you can hear what they're saying. Other times you have microphone like this, like, you know, a boom mic? Yeah? Like you see a person carrying a long stick, a big microphone, and they hold it over them, yeah? Now this is a smaller version of it. This is built to fit this kind of camera, but usually they use a much bigger one, okay? Then this is the camera stand. So this is the small one, if you look over there, you see that one right there? That's a big one that they use, okay? And they use it so that way, one, you can hold the camera still when you're filming, yes? And then also sometimes they'll put the stand on something so that while they're moving, they can capture the person moving, okay? And then the last thing that we have is the clapboard. So they use this in films whenever they do multiple scenes, okay? So for example, if you're filming, yes, you'll say, okay, scene 1, take 1, and then 3, 2, 1, action, okay? Now they use this so that way when they go to edit it, they can see what each take is. Because sometimes the actors make mistakes, right? And other times things go wrong. So they use this so that way they know which are the good ones and which are the bad ones. So the software we're going to use, it's called Windows Live Movie Maker. And it's a free software, and you can find it on most computers. Most Windows computers. So when you open up a brand new project, this is what it looks like, okay? It's blank. And then, so up here you have the home option, yes? Here you can add videos, add music, and things like that. And then after I'm going to show you what the other tabs do as well. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in a video that we can work on. Now I want you all to pay close attention to this video, okay? This is what we call a raw file, okay? Because nothing's been done to it. There's no music, there's no editing, there's nothing, okay? So the first thing we want to do is we want to mute the video. So that way we can get rid of all that noise, okay? You see all the noise is gone, yes? Okay. But we don't want the video to be too quiet, right? We want some kind of noise. So one thing you can do is you can add music, okay? So you can put background music, and to do that, click pause. We'll go home, and then click add music. Now, another thing that we can do is we can add titles. You know how movies, right? Before a movie starts, it has a title screen. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click title, right there. Okay, so now you can name it something. Pick whatever you want. You can click play. Watch what happens, okay? When it goes to the video, it jumps a little, okay? Do you see that? It doesn't look very nice, right? So whenever you have something that's jumpy, or if you want to go from one video to the next, we're going to go click here. We're going to use animations or transitions, okay? So you're gonna see, we're gonna try some different ones, and you're gonna see it makes the video look a lot smoother, okay? Do you see that? It's not jumpy anymore, right? So it looks a bit better, yes? Okay. So we're gonna now, the last thing that we want to do is we want to add credits. You know credits, yes? They come at the end of the movie, so that way you can say, you know, who was in it, all the actors, the actresses, the camera person, the director, and all of those things, okay? So to do that, we're going to come here and click credits. Okay, so now you're going to put the name of everyone involved. Okay, and that's the entire video, so please give them a round of applause. So now that you guys have seen how to edit, okay, you guys are going to get to make your own films now.
I'm telling you, don't think I'm busy. Say that. Don't try to keep me okay. So I told you that they would have like yes. What do you have for me? What do you have for me? Are you giving already or let's go now?
Okay, so that's the end of the filmmaking class. I had a great time. I hope you guys all did as well. Yes? Yes?